All right, Dr. Chris here at the Nerve Health Institute. This is our oxygen room. This is one of our oxygen devices. This particular device is called a Bimini, and it's invented in Houston. It's an amazing piece of technology where this device is taking this filtered water that we have, and it's actually bringing it through here, and it's putting nanobubbles of oxygen that are 2,500 times smaller than the pores of your skin. So this oxygen gas is being delivered in the water, and I'm not sure if you can maybe zoom in here, but you can actually see tiny little bubbles in there. And this is much different than, let's say, a whirlpool or something like that. There's a lot of science into this. This company has a lot of research that they've come up with, but just putting your legs in here, right now it's delivering oxygen through the pores of her skin and going into her system and getting this number one ingredient that I always talk about in your cells. You have 30 trillion cells back in there. So what we love about this device and the way we use it is it's administering these oxygen bubbles into the sacral nerves, which are down in the feet, and that's some of the primary nerves in the healing side of your nervous system. So that's why we use it this fast in this way. So this therapy can be used 30 minutes to an hour. We have some patients even longer, and it just makes you feel really relaxed. It also just gets your body to detoxify, because keep in mind, oxygen is our number one ingredient. 65% of every cell should be oxygen gas, and we want oxygen in our bodies to help us, and we're unfortunately not getting enough with just breathing every day. So this is an easy therapy to do, and oftentimes some of our patients may not be able to get in hyperbaric chambers or exercise through our other oxygen modalities, but this one, it just involves total relaxation and getting these oxygen, tiny little nanobubbles that are 2,500 times smaller than the pores of your skin, into your system.